Battling snowdrifts, I made it home safely, thanks to a pickup's help.
Safe and sound, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more outdoor adventures from the Outdoor Boys YouTube channel, make sure to click subscribe. We put out... Yeah, we got a good solid 2 feet of snow. I've got about 100 yards of unplowed road to go. That's gonna be tricky. I was giving it a bunch of throttle and it just popped on me, and I kind of smelled this burning smell, and now only 2 of the wheels are spinning. I think I boogered up the all-wheel drive. Got a gentleman in a big 4x4 pickup who might be able to help get me out. Oh, we're doing it. All right, man, thank you.
Yep, thank you.
Hey, you too. That pickup truck was a monster. If it wasn't for that, I would have been here for a long time. Oh, it is nasty.
And finally, he came back to his wife and children. Look how happy his wife is.
I'm so glad you're home and safe. I was worried about you.
Yeah.
Look at the car, it's smoking.
Yeah.
The car looks cleaner.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it?